Welcome to Adana, a city where the golden hues of dawn stretch across centuries of history. Nestled along the banks of the Sehen River and shadowed by the distant Taurus Mountains, Adana wakes slowly, yet purposefully. The mighty Sabank Merkez Mosque rises like a guardian of time, its elegant minarets piercing the morning mist. Here, modern life thrives amidst the echoes of an ancient past. This is the gateway to Turkey's southern soul. One of Adana's most breathtaking landmarks, the Sabank Merkez Mosque, is not just a place of worship, it is a symbol of grandeur. With 6 towering minarets and a central dome echoing the classical Ottoman style, the mosque stands as one of the largest in the Middle East. Step inside and you're greeted by soft hues from stained glass windows, golden chandeliers suspended from high ceilings, and delicate calligraphy flowing like poetry across the walls. The tranquility within is as overwhelming as its beauty. Spanning the Sehen River for nearly 2 millennia, the Taskopru, or Stone Bridge, is one of the oldest functioning Roman bridges in the world. Built in the 2nd century AD, this marvel of ancient engineering connects not just two sides of a river, but two eras. Watch as locals stroll its weathered stones, unaware that each step treads upon history carved in time-hardened limestone. Beneath it, the river flows like a memory, constant, reflective, eternal. The streets of Adana are a mosaic of culture, color, and rhythm. In the beating heart of the city, the air is rich with the scent of spices and sizzling kebabs. Street vendors call out, children play beside ancient walls, and elders gather over tea and backgammon. Here, the old coexists with the new. Stone houses from the Ottoman era stand proudly beside bustling cafes and shops. Adana doesn't just live, it pulses with energy. If Adana had a soul, it would be grilled over charcoal. The legendary Adana kebab, fiery, flavorful, and fiercely local, is more than food, it's tradition. Watch as the masters press seasoned lamb onto skewers with swift precision, grilling them to perfection. Served with soft lavash, roasted peppers, onions, and a cold glass of iron, each bite is a fiery homage to this city's culinary pride. In Adana, the kebab isn't just eaten, it's experienced. Deep within the Taurus Mountains, the Varda Viaduct arches like a stone serpent across the lush canyon below. Built by German engineers in the early 20th century, this bridge gained global fame after its cinematic appearance in a James Bond film. As a train glides across its back, you can feel the power of industry meeting the poetry of nature. Wind whispers through the valley, echoing the sounds of adventure and stories long forgotten. In the old quarter of Adana stands the Büyük Saat, the Great Clock Tower. Erected in 1882, its tall, red brick frame has watched over the city through wars, earthquakes, and rebirth. As its clock ticks on, the streets below continue their timeless rhythm. Markets bustle, vendors chat, and life weaves through alleys like the smell of fresh Turkish coffee. By night, the tower glows like a beacon of resilience and pride. Even amidst urban buzz, Adana offers sanctuary. Merkez Park, stretching along the Sehen River, is a living canvas of green. Palms sway in the breeze, fountains rise and fall in dance, and families gather under trees for laughter and rest. Joggers pass by blooming flowers, children chase doves, and the city breathes here, slowly, peacefully. It is Adana's pause, a space for reflection in the middle of motion. Adana is a city that remembers its roots, not with silence, but with celebration. Whether during a local festival or a traditional gathering, its culture sings through saz strings, dances in spinning skirts, and savors in every bite of shared food. Folk dancers move with energy passed down through generations. Laughter fills the air. This is a city that lives loudly, proudly, and always together. As day slips into night, Adana dawns a new identity. The city glows, its skyline lit by lanterns and mosques shining like stars. Reflections shimmer on the Sehen, while cafes buzz with voices and live music. From above, Adana is a constellation of warmth, heritage, and life. And as the camera drifts away, we leave behind not just a city, but a memory etched in golden light. This was Adana, a city where kebabs meet culture, history meets hustle, and every corner holds a story. From Roman stones to modern skylines, Adana stands as a bridge between past and present, tradition and taste. Join us next time as we continue our journey through the tales of Turkey. Until then, hope kalm, and thank you for traveling with us.